Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for the CommBank NetBank using your mobile phone. First, open the CommBank or visit the CommBank website using your mobile browser. Now, tap on the sign up or register for the NetBank or create NetBank login. Next, what you're going to do is verify your identity. Enter your CommBank card number or account details as requested. Then, verify your identity using the one-time code sent to you to your registered mobile number. Create a username and password for a NetBank account. Once completed, you can immediately log in and start using NetBank on mobile. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.